Your kitchen looks perfect until you see that clunky, plastic-looking microwave hanging over your range. It is the one appliance that usually feels like an afterthought in a modern home. LG is trying to change that narrative with a unit that actually looks like a piece of high-end furniture. This thing swaps those dated, mushy buttons for a sleek, edge-to-edge glass touch panel. It has a stainless finish that actually fights off fingerprints. If you have kids or just messy hands while cooking, you know how huge that is. It just sits there on the wall looking premium. But beauty is only skin deep. You need to know if it actually cooks your dinner. At over 1,000 watts, the power is definitely there. You are not going to be sitting around waiting forever for your coffee to reheat. The real magic, though, is in the sensor cooking. It uses humidity levels to figure out when your food is done. That means fewer frozen centers and fewer rubbery, overcooked edges. The sensor really shines when you are reheating something tricky like mashed potatoes or a thick stew. It detects the steam rising and adjusts the power level on the fly. It takes the guesswork out of the process, so you are not constantly opening the door to poke your food. Now, let us talk about the vent. This is where most over-the-range units fail miserably. They usually only suck up steam from the back burners. This model has a trick up its sleeve. The vent actually extends forward. It reaches out to grab all that smoke and grease coming off your front pans. It is a game changer for anyone who actually sears steaks or boils big pots of pasta. Just be warned that when you crank that fan up to the highest setting, you are going to hear it. It is not whisper quiet. If you have an open concept home, that noise might cut through your dinner conversation. Then there are the smart features. You can connect it to an app on your phone. You can scan barcodes on frozen meals to set the time automatically. It sounds cool on paper. In reality, most of us probably will not pull out a smartphone just to heat up a burrito. It is a nice to have, not a must-have feature for the average cook. When it comes to cleaning, they have added a special coating inside. Spills just wipe right off without a massive scrubbing session. Grease is still grease though. You still have to maintain the filters to keep things fresh. If you decide to install this yourself, bring a friend and a sturdy ladder. This is a heavy, awkward piece of metal. You have to get the mounting bracket perfectly level on the wall studs. One wrong move and you are looking at a crooked appliance. You will be drilling through your upper cabinets to bolt it in place from the top. It takes patience and a lot of measuring. You have to clear out the cabinet, line up the template, and hope your drill bit stays straight. First, you remove all the tape and protective film. Then, you secure that metal bracket to the wall studs. You lift the unit, hook it onto the bracket, and feed the power cord through. Once those top bolts are tightened, it is not going anywhere. If you just want a basic box to pop popcorn, this is overkill. You can find much cheaper ways to boil water. But if you want your kitchen to feel like a modern, cohesive space, the trade-off is worth it. It balances high-end style with actual, functional engineering that makes a daily difference. It turns a utility tool into a focal point